All right, what's going on, guys? Today is Thursday, March 23rd, and today is going to be a little bit different. It is not going to be necessarily a trade recap, more of a mental trading psychology recap, because today went awfully. I blew two evaluation accounts today. I'm going to explain to you how I did that today. First of all, today's market, if you traded today, it's one day after FOMC. And we did a large move up into like kind of the 40-40 region and then sold off pretty much the rest of the day and then a little bit of chop to finish. So I'm going to go, I guess, based on my first account that I blew, and then I'll explain my second account that I blew. So the first one I blew, I actually only had about $35 left before my auto liquidation. So I got in. Mentally, I think I was in a place where it's like, okay, I'm already losing money, so like maybe I just blow this account real quick because it was $35. So I entered on a trade right here, and I went short trying to chase this down because if you saw, what we had was kind of a run up going into this, going into the open today. And what I was expecting was this overnight high that I had here at 4,001. I thought we were going to reject, and I thought we were going to chase down here to the overnight low. That turned out to not be the case. So I ended up getting stopped out right here after the $35 loss, and that was the end of the first account, the evaluation account. So shortly afterwards, this is where things really started to derail. So first of all, I started my day within the first 10 minutes blowing an evaluation account. So understand that kind of set the stage for the rest of the day and just completely deteriorating mentally. And I'll go through many of the different things that I was experiencing as that happened. So I kind of took a break until around lunch, and what ended up happening was I hopped over to my Tradevate account, and unfortunately I can't show you because they actually already removed the demo account, so I can't show you the exact trades, but I'm going to go more over the psychology on the way down. So what started happening was I was doing okay. I had one or two trades that went against me, and then I found myself down about like $400 or $500 because I was trading ES this afternoon. So the losses were pretty significant for just opening up a brand new account. And so what started to happen was mentally was thinking of the first one that I blew, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm trading on this second one. I'm already down $400 or $500. And so I got into this mental gymnastics of, what does it matter? Maybe it'll be easier if I just start over at, a brand new evaluation account. And so I started just taking reckless trades, right? I was still following the trend, but I would get in right before a pullback, and I would find myself, like losing $200 or $300 because I'm like, oh, just wait, it'll play out, and then it'll hit my stop loss. These levels didn't do too much. They kind of blew through the levels that I had written down just because of the volatility today. Really hard price action to read, and it just ultimately it didn't. I'm not going to blame the market. The market was not at fault. It was me that was at fault. My psychology, I basically told myself as I'm going down, as I'm missing all of these moves, I have serious FOMO, and I'm like, I have to get in, I have to do this, but also a hint of recklessness going down and just really just getting into trades that I shouldn't have. And then really near the end, I was probably $700 away from my auto liquidation of my second evaluation account, and a part of my mind just said, screw it, just screw it, like just go a YOLO trade, 2 or 3 ES contracts and just see what happens. And sure enough, that went against me, and I ended up auto liquidating the account. I blew the account. So that all happened during this downtrend here, and I think by around like 3 or 4 o'clock, I felt like I was having a breakdown, and there's not really another way to explain it. I just mentally, not okay, and I'm hoping that this video can show what really happens in the minds of beginner traders and what happened. Well, not even just beginner traders, but some intermediate level traders. This was a learning lesson for me on the importance of trading psychology. It will either make you or literally break you. I blew 2 accounts today, and just an absolute train wreck from start to finish. And I have no excuses. There's no excuses. I'm completely responsible for everything that I've done today. And I hope that if anybody else other than myself is watching this, that you can take notes. Today was idiotic. It was stupid. I should have just gotten up and walked away from the computer, and I should have just been done. And there's no excuses, no nothing. Fortunately, I am trading evaluation accounts right now, so I lost $30 today. Right? I blew $2,500 in the market today, but I only lost about $30 in my own money. So I am okay mentally, but my trading ego and my trading whatever's happening with my trading really took a hit today. So I'm hoping that if you're still watching this, you can take something from this today and just learn how important trading psychology is, because it is so easy to let things go off the rails, and when they do, all hell breaks loose. So really, please just learn from my mistakes. If you don't get anything else out of this video, please learn from my mistakes. That's it. That's all I got. See you next time. Peace.